Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to customize the Tableau server. So this is a Tableau server web portal where you normally see the Tableau logo here. So this is a Tableau logo where I'm highlighting. So this is a Tableau logo and the tooltip it shows Tableau server. So you can customize these two options with your desired requirement. For example, if you have purchased license from Tableau server and if you want to reflect your company logo, you can change this Tableau logo and you can replace with your company logo for branding purpose. And if you want to change this Tableau server naming with reflecting development server or production server, that also you can do it. So these two are the customization options where Tableau is providing to customize according to your requirement. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I will change the Tableau logo with my own logo. So I have created a sample image. This is a sample image that I have created. Now I'm going to replace this Tableau logo with my own logo. So that is one customization I'm going to perform now. And there is one more customization. The tooltip is Tableau server. I want to change it to production. For example, I just want to change that to Tableau server with my own name, Kishore Production. So these are the two customizations I'm going to perform. And whatever you do customization, whatever you do any changes, those changes have to be reflected on the server configuration. Okay, for that you require to restart all the services. So there will be a downtime whenever you do this customization, approximately 15 to 20 minutes or 15 to 30 minutes. So it has to change the configuration according to the customization that you have done. So that is the reason it has to restart all the services and it has to apply all the new configuration changes. So you have to note down the downtime should be required for this customization. Okay, let me explain how to do the customization. So there is a command called tsm customize. So this is a command where you can use to do the customization. So first you need to save your logo on the drive where the Tableau server is running. So in my case, I'm running my Tableau server in my C drive. So I have copied the logo to my C drive desktop folder. Then you have to open a command prompt with admin privileges. Let me open the command prompt with admin account, run as admin account. Now the first customization I'm going to perform is tooltip name renaming. So currently it is showing Tableau server as the tooltip name, but I want to change the Tableau server to Kishore Production. So that is the first customization I'm going to perform. Just you need to execute this command, log into TSM, execute the command TSM customize server name Kishore Production. The customization information has been set. Okay, now the logo customization, you have to select this command tsm customize -- logo and the logo location where you have located. So this one you have to execute. Let me just cross verify the name of the image, kis.png. okay, correct, kis.png. okay, the customization information okay, this may take few seconds. The logo has been uploaded successfully and the customization information has been set. So the customization commands you have successfully executed. Now you have to apply these two changes to the server. For applying changes, you have to execute this command. TSM pending changes apply. So once you execute this command, it will ask you to restart the services. If you say yes, then all the services will restart and the configuration changes will reflected. It will be reflected on the server configuration files. So I'm going to apply the changes. See, the operation will perform a server restart. Are you sure you wish to continue? Yes. Okay, so server configuration is started. Applying the new customization options. I will just put the screen side by side so that you can see the reflected change. So it is stopping all the services, because once it stops all the services, only then it can override the changes that we have made for the customization. So first it will stop the services, then it will override the customization changes to the configuration files, then it will restart the services. So currently the server portal is accessible. Let me just refresh. Okay, so our server portal has been stopped. That means services are stopping now. See, if you go to TSM, you can see the progress window. All the services are stopping one by one. Okay, so all the services have been stopped. Now the new changes are overwriting. You can see waiting for all the services to reconfigure with the new changes. So the customization information has been already overwritten. Now all the services has to reconfigure with the new changes. Okay, so the new customization information has been reconfigured on all the services. Now all the services are starting. Let me just refresh the page. Vscale background data server, microservice container, services yet to start. Okay, so all the services have been started. Now you can see the message successfully deployed nodes with the updated configuration and depth topology version. Okay, now if I go to server portal, you can see the new logo has been appeared on the login page. So instead of Tableau logo, you have this my own customized logo, and also you can see the tooltip. It is showing Kishore production. So whatever we have done to customizations, those have been reflected successfully. So this is how you do the customization. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.